Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you guys know, in our last tutorial, we had talked about the depth of the dependencies. Those are installed in our Node.js local or global packages. So let's move forward and try to figure it out how we can in our current tutorial we will see how we can make the versioning of our dependencies that are installed. So let's move ahead towards our terminal and try to install any dependency. I'll install some dependency. As I can say, I'll say like I will install Prisma. Sudo npm install Prisma. It's a DB dependency, so database dependency. I'll go ahead and install that one, and let's see how much time it will take to install. It will consume some time to install, few minutes or few seconds. As you guys see that the Prisma is installed, and now you can see like Prisma, the version of Prisma, installation version for Prisma is 5.12.1. So there are three different type of numbers available in the versions. This is called actually the version for the package or dependency installed. This is the major version, this is the minor version, this is the release. So the major version is 5, minor version is 12, and the release is 1. So whenever there is any kind of small big fix or performance improvement or anything happen in the package or in the dependency, the last number, the number after second decimal is coming, the third number that will get incremented, like from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and so on. In case if you have any kind of new feature added into the package or into the dependency, but that will not break your current functionality, like you had implemented the same package in your project, if you can upgrade the project, it will not affect your current project. In that case, your minor version number will be changed. It will be changed, or it will be incremented one more time. So in case you have any big change in the dependency or in the package, like if it will break the previous functionality, you should implement it from scratch again. In that scenarios, you have to change the major version number from 5, it will increment it to 6. So let's move. There are some times like it's required to use some older versions of packages. It's happening very normally in the programming that you will be needing some old packages to finish your project. So for example, in my case, the Prisma version 5.12.1 is installed. Let's go ahead and try to install the old version for the Prisma. So for installing the old version for the Prisma, I'll write the same command. After that, at the rate, and I have to specify the version for the Prisma. I'll say for hey node package manager, install for me Prisma 4.1.0. Let's go ahead and hit enter, and let's guys see if it's done. Once it's done, let's move ahead and see in our package.json file that the Prisma package is changed or no. Yeah, you can see like the Prisma now 4.1.0 is installed. So that's very easy, very normal for versioning your package or dependency. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.